Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hahn County in north central Texas, Hopkins County in north central Texas, Rains County in north central Texas, southern Lamar County in north central Texas, Delta County in north central Texas, northeastern Collin County in north central Texas, southern Fannin County in north central Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the port to 9 miles south of Honey Grove to McKinney, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Wiley, Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Roy City, Enna, Princeton, Salina, Farmersville, Leonard, Cooper, Lowry Crossing, West Tawakoni, Wolf City, Quinlan, Caddo Mills, Emory, East Tawakoni, and Celeste. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 79 and 142. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time.
Look at this, guys. Look at all that lightning and stuff. It's raining. We're gonna have severe weather tonight in the middle of the night. So yeah, that's what happens. But yeah, so we're under a thunderstorm warning. And I showed the alert tone on the hh50. I have the wr400 on
Hazard.
I have the wr400 on display. Since this is at this point this is the loudest weather radio we have in our house. So I have that one set to display so that way it doesn't sound off. And the hh50, which is right over there, as you can see right here, it's turned off, so it doesn't sound off. And only the hh54vp is going to be sounding off for the night. But yeah, see you guys.